Welcome back to Marta from Sparta. Happy February. I am wearing pink today. I am all about pink and red because guess what? Today we're starting Made with Love series. We're gonna make a lot of super fun and super easy as well Valentine's arts and crafts and projects. It's gonna be sewing projects, punching projects, hot glue fix projects. I have a lot of planned. I am all dressed up from February, all pink, all red, super fun projects. And today is project number 1 from the series Made in Love. So join me, let's get ready. It's gonna be super fun series of 5 fun projects. So you guys probably thinking, what did she came up with? We still will thrift old sweater and we're gonna create something super new and super fun. So we all probably have in our wardrobe classic gray crew neck sweater, yeah? I do. If not, I'm sure you're gonna find plenty of them in a Goodwill stores or thrift stores. So, of course, I came out when I was searching for the ideas, and one of my favorite stores actually sent me again Valentine's ideas for outfits, and one of them was super expensive crew neck sweater. Check it out here. And I said, why not? I can make it myself in under 20 minutes. So that's the sweater I'm talking about. And that's the sweater I personally have in my wardrobe. And it's super boring gray sweater. We will turn it into this super fun, expensive crew neck sweater I saw online. And I'm gonna show you how. So what you're gonna need, obviously the sweater, it doesn't have to be gray. You do not have to do what I'm doing. Any color. And you don't have to do the same color of the heart I'm going to be doing. I just want to demonstrate you how easy you can make something this expensive by yourself. And I also found very similar gray sweater like this one on Amazon for under $19. And if you're interested doing it from scratch because you don't have gray sweater, I will link it in video description below. Okay, so what are you gonna need except of the sweater, which I'm gonna link it in description below if you want one. You're also gonna need a punch needle set, which means like very thick needle. I'm gonna also link it in description below, or any needle. It doesn't have to be necessary this one. And you're gonna need needle felting. This one is available also online and on Amazon. I have tons of those, which I had in my house for years now because I was doing felt animals years ago, believe me or not. So I have tons of colors over here, but this particular set you can buy on Amazon, which I will also link in below, or Joann's or Michael's store. They also sell those, okay? Then that's it. Let's make a sweater. Okay, so first of all, you need to draw a heart. And I would suggest to draw a heart on piece of paper in a size you actually want it in on the sweater. And you're gonna trace the heart on your sweater. I'm using my sewing chalk, but you can use a marker, but you have to make sure that when you're gonna be punching, you have to be punching around the lines you traced. And if you remember from my previous videos, I was using piece of styrofoams, and you can use the cardboard even from Amazon boxes or any boxes, and you're gonna have to place it in between the layers because you do not want to punch it on the back of your sweater. So let me take you to the counter and you can watch everything from there. Easiest way to have a perfect shaped heart is to fold the paper, draw one half, and then the other half gonna be perfectly same, and then cut it up. So this is the size of the heart I want on my sweater. And as you see, I place this foam, and again, it doesn't have to be this foam. You can easily use piece of cardboard, but you have to put like a few levels because you don't want needle to go through it. You have to have kind of like a trampoline over here for your needle. So if you don't have a piece of foam, I would say use the cardboard. If you're using the foam, I wrapped my foam in like clear foil, so the pieces of the foam not gonna stick to my fabric. Then we're gonna decide which side you want to have your heart on. And as I mentioned before, I am using my sewing marker, which is washable, to trace the heart. There we go. Super easy. Just like that. I can see my heart. I'm not sure if you guys can see it in the camera, but I promise you it's right there. And the next step would be, I also have the bigger punch needle this side when you're actually punching like this for bigger areas. So I'm gonna probably start from using the big one so I can punch the biggest area first, and then I'm gonna use tiny needle just to go exactly around the shape of my heart. So I'm gonna probably do my heart red because why not? It's Valentine's. I might actually mix. I really like this color combination, so maybe, just maybe, I'm gonna add a little bit orange to it in the middle. I will see, because I'm not that great in punching, so maybe I should stick in solid colors instead of experimenting. So I will put you on time lapse and you can watch the whole process on. You guys watched it on the time lapse, so you don't know how much time really it took me. So looking at the clock, my heart is pretty decent size. It took me about 15 minutes to punch everything, and I used two different punch needles. One is the one which has this automatic kind of release, and the other one, for more detail look, I used very thick needle. I'm gonna link everything in the description below. And please remember, you do not have to do gray sweater. You don't have to do gray sweater with a pink heart. I just wanted to demonstrate you how super easy it is to make something like that. And I happen to have a gray sweater, and I'm not really gray person, as you see and probably see it on the videos, so I wanted to use it up. Last part of this super fun number one made with love project will be removing the board, and the sweater and the heart might stick to the board a little bit. This is the leftover like tiny threads over here, and the sweater will be ready. So the only thing which I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna actually spray it a little bit with water, and I'm gonna iron it so it's a little bit more flat. And that's it. And that's how you get expensive Valentine sweater, thrifting the old or flipping your old clothes. I hope you guys like this quick tutorial video, and Let me know in description below if you guys saw something and you want me to try it, make it for you. And I will see you guys on Sunday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. I hope you like this project as much as I do. And again, I'm gonna see you on Sunday with more. And this is how the sweater looks like on me. I decided to go with little bit bigger heart, that's the inspiration image. And again, simple pair of jeans and you are good to go. You have this awesome old sweater which is now brand new. I'm actually thinking about even adding like some beads around the heart, maybe, just maybe, I don't know. Maybe this year I'm gonna wear it the way it is, and then next year I'm just gonna relove it with some beads around and it's gonna again feel like brand new sweater. Maybe I should do that, but it was, as you see, half an hour maximum project. Very easy, very fun, and the old sweater has new face right now. And again, simple pair of jeans and the sweater and you are good to go. I hope you like this project as much as I did. I tried to make it as simple as possible for you guys, and I think it fairly was. Links to all materials are in description below, so you can buy whatever you need to make your own sweater. And remember, you do not have to do it on the gray sweater as I did. You can do it on any sweater you want. The technique which I showed you will work literally on everything. So yeah, have fun, be creative, and thank you so much for watching again, and I will see you next week. And hey, if you have expensive taste like me and you want to keep your bank account happy as well, this is the right place for you. Thank you for watching. I will see you next week.